I stayed a few nights in Bangalore in October 2022, and the stay was comfortable. I woke up to a very good buffet breakfast, South Indian breakfast, and I was bored of the city life, so I decided to head to Bannerghatta National Park, which is situated about 22 kilometers south of Bangalore near the Anekal Range. It was set up in 1970 and made a national park in 1974. It covers an area of about 65,000 square feet. With the Bangalore Metro, the journey was quick and easy. I took a metro from Jayanagar to Silk Institute, and then I took a taxi from there to Bannerghatta. I decided to stay at Bannerghatta Nature Camp, which is run by Jungle Lodges and Resort. Ta-da! Thank you. That's Bangalore Metro, much better than Chennai, in a way. They should have escalators to go down as well. I'm on the way to Bannerghatta Nature Camp, Jungle Lodges and Resorts.
ஆலதி நகர் பக்கம்லாம் போனீங்கன்னா ஜாஸ்தி ஹனுமான் கோயில் தான். ஹனுமான் நம்ம இது இஸ்கான் டெம்பிள். காமிச்சிங்க இங்க யானை இருக்கா Bannerghatta இருக்கு. லெஃப்ட் இல்ல அங்க லெஃப்ட் போட்டுருக்கு. Bannerghatta Nature Camp அங்கதான். அதுல நம்ம ரிவர்ஸ் லேன் ஏ அங்க பில்டிங் உள்ள போறீங்களா? திருப்பி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கியர்ல தான் ஏறணும் போல இருக்குல்ல. That was a bumpy ride, not one for auto rickshaw.
Reception?
ಒಳಗಡೆ
Yellow though?
2 minutes walk.
Okay. That's going to be one beautiful walk to the reception. Fully loaded. The last bit of the road was so rustic. Oh. It's full of bamboos. It's a good sign. That should make it an elephant country. Look at these jackfruits, favorite for elephants. And look at this construction work going on, favorite for humans. That's what they do. Bloody destroy all the forests in the name of construction and development. Probably the reception. A couple of cars parked there. Look at this old building. Staying in a camp. Hello. That's the dining hall. Yeah. Okay. Jio or Airtel? Airtel. Jio SIM card.
No network, sir.
No network.
Wi-Fi.
What's it Wi-Fi? Pura property में Wi-Fi है.
No, sir.
10 square.
No password.
Okay.
नेटवर्क को सिगरेट फोन है यहाँ उस
Internet में चालू है. Okay, similar setup, different environment, different geography, but yeah, I prefer the one in BRLs. I'm in tent number 7. Okay, I'm going to be holed up here for the next couple of days. This is where I'm going to be. Yeah.
Main switch.
Okay.
Main switch.
Okay, nice and cozy little place. You can come in as a family as well. And oh, you got a resting pool. Okay, small balcony right above the toilet. Tent. So that's basically a fabric tent. Not sure what you call it. And then they have this thatched roof on top, and that's to prevent anything falling on the tent and collapse it. Okay, but the walls, they're basically tents as you can see in the room next door. They've got a balcony. Not the best view from the balcony, but at least a place to relax in the evening with a cup of coffee or a glass of wine and some good company. I'm on my own here. I'm enjoying my backpacking trip in India. It's 2022 and time to have fun. Some bits about the property. So this is Bannerghatta Nature Camp, and this is the tent that I'm staying in, and this is run by Jungle Lodges and Resorts, which is a joint venture between Karnataka Tourist Department and the Forest Department. And the way they have it is, they have these properties around all the national parks and the wildlife sanctuaries and reserve forests in Karnataka, and they have these. The good thing about these, you'd stay in tents. You stay in tents these are tents, but then they have a tin roof on top, tin roof, and it's thatched as well. And that's the reason behind it is it's all full of trees and they don't want anything falling on the tent as such. But the room walls, as you could see, they're all, it's fabric tent, quite strong ones. And then the bathroom, the shower room, is a building, a brick building. And this is how all the properties, lodges, they're different jungle lodges, that's how they are built. And then they have some rooms and dormitory as well. I've stayed in another jungle lodges which is in BRLs, Billigri Rangan Hills, which is much better location because it's on the side of a hill deep in the forest, and they don't have electricity supply at all. So they don't have electricity. They've got generators, they're 2 hours in the morning and few hours in the evening, so you could charge your phones and cameras or whatever. And in the night you are given a lantern and the torchlight to find your way out. But this property, Bannerghatta, it's on the fringes of the Bannerghatta National Park, so they've got electricity supply. You get constant electricity supply, plus you get fans and lights in the rooms. You get two types of rooms. One is the tent that I'm staying in, the other one is called the log house. Those are the ones that you see now. And the way it works here is you check in at 1 p.m, and you are provided a buffet lunch, Indian lunch, and that's followed up with tea, coffee, and you are sent on a safari a bit late in the afternoon. Come back to some hot tea and coffee, and also some snacks, bhaji and pakoras, and you relax. They show a wildlife movie as well in the main hall, and then you can relax in your room for some time, and then you get a buffet dinner and some campfire in some places. And yeah, go to bed. They wake you up in the morning with your coffee, whatever your preferences. You need to tell them in advance what you need, along with your wake-up call. And yeah, then you go on another safari, and they do nature walks as well in this place, in Bannerghatta Nature Camp, but not in some of the other properties that I've stayed in. And then you come back from the safari, have a buffet breakfast, and I think the checkout time is 11 a.m. They got 2 hours to get the rooms ready for the next guests who are checking in at about 1 p.m. But good fun in jungle lodges in BRLs. I hope it's going to be good. And the safari, it's probably going to be fun. Okay, so the tree, they've named all the trees near the properties. Some of these trees they've named as and listed what type of a tree it is, and what's the name of the tree and what they do. So I am in this tree, right under this tree, the big trunk that you see here, and that's an Indian cork tree. So Indian cork tree. Okay, so instead of cork, as you can read, the spongy bark, it's a spongy bark, so they are used as a replacement for, you know, in oil bottles and wine bottles and champagne bottles. They use this. It's part of this, you know, the bark is supposed to be spongy. And see, look at this. It's not very hard bark, but yeah, spongy. I'm not supposed to remove it. I don't want to get arrested by the forest department in India. But yeah, so this is used, as you can see here, the spongy bark is used as a substitute for cork, and hence the name Indian cork tree. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have a quick shower and then go for lunch, and that should be, once I'm done with the lunch, I should be ready for the safari at 2:30. We'll get some lunch, buffet lunch. The dining hall is a good spread of buffet lunch. Not a lot of items, but yeah, it's good. It's good. Should be good. Some buffet spread, some salads, some roti, masala, vegetables, some western biryani. Some chicken curry. Yep. lot of shops here. Get Bannerghatta. Okay, that's what I'm going for.
Oh, look, 100 to look.
Get some fresh foods.
One species for which these
It's 6:30 in the morning. And there's a nature walk. Ooh.